Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Designs by Shell here. It's been a while since I've done a video, but life's been busy and I'm just trying to get back on track here. So today, probably like many of you, I wanted to create a wreath for my front door. I did one a few days ago using a grapevine wreath, and I used some brighter colors on it. I used some of my paper flowers that I had made in the past and mixed it with some silk flowers. So there's that first one that I did, and then I decided to do a second one because I thought those colors were a bit too bright for what I wanted on my front door, so I wanted to change it up and do some lighter spring colors. So what I did was to take some of my silk flowers that I had made in the past, and I decided to paint them, or to like kind of dye them with some paint into some lighter colors because the white was a bit too stark. So what I did, I took, just got a bowl and put a little water in it. I added some paint. I did some flowers in kind of a light, kind of silvery blue, and then some in a yellow, and I just used these acrylic paints. And so what I did was just add a little water in my bowl, squirt a few drops of the paint in there, and stirred it up. And then I took one of those kind of foam paintbrush things and just brushed it on the flower. And if you want a more saturated flower, you can actually dunk the flower right in your mixture and just let it sit there for a bit, and then, you know, tap it off on some paper towels and squeeze the excess out, and you'll get a nice color. And it works. These flowers are with kind of that kind of, I don't know, polyester silky type material that, you know, curtains are often in, sheer curtains, and so they absorb pretty well, just soft colors. So that's what I did, and then I had some little ones I used as well. And I'll try to show you the wreath here. I will post some pictures of it too, because it's a little hard to just show just with the camera here, but I'll just try to show you a little bit. So it's the grapevine wreath, and then just added the flowers on. You can see the ones I've painted in the yellow ones, and then the soft blue ones. So there, that gives you a look. And then, yeah, so let me know which wreath you like better. I'll show you the picture of the other one because I didn't video making that, but that was kind of a fun project to do, and just trying to get inspired again, and hopefully we'll get some more videos up in the future. So hope everyone's doing well, and thanks again for watching. Bye for now.